We are rolling into our 15th year. Sometimes it's really hard to believe and definitely challenging for me to wrap my brain around. 15 years ago, I didn't have to wear readers to look at a screen, and it was me, an idea, and a little bit of energy. And today, it's lots of people, lots of ideas, and lots of energy.
I met Carrie in 2018 when we were doing Catch Me If You Can. A few days after I met her, she said, "Hey, do you want to be the West Coast rep for my company?" And like 2 weeks after that, I had my first job with Ovation. I never could have imagined that 7 years later, I would be alongside Carrie on the business development team, getting a chance to bring Ovation to people from all over the world. And I couldn't be more grateful for the opportunity to do that.
When I started with Ovation, what do I think my life would be like 11 years later? I'm not sure I would have told you that I would have traveled the globe and met so many interesting people from so many different kinds of industries. Who knew that corporate expense reporting could be so cool? As I try to project what the future holds for Ovation, the thing that excites me the most is that our reach and our message is growing. Happy birthday, Ovation. Congratulations on making it 15 years, and I can't wait to see what your future holds.
Happy birthday, Ovation. Ovation has expanded my world so much. I have been intersected with people around the globe that do incredible jobs that I didn't even know existed before I started with Ovation. And these meaningful connections with humans I never would have met, they make me a better, more empathetic, a more happy person. Thanks, Ovation.
Happy birthday, Ovation. What I can say about you, Ovation, is that you have been telling the truth ever since I've known you, probably from day one. And it is inspiring to be able to see that amongst our team. Everyone is so truthful, honest, genuine, authentic as themselves. Everyone is different, and it teaches me, it reminds me, it inspires me when I get to see that in our participants. When you get to see people who bring their own voices, their genuine selves, their truthful selves, it's what keeps me going, what keeps me working every day. Thank you for that. This is to many, many more. Happy birthday.
One of the things that I love about Ovation is that it has taught me that you can take your passion, your artistry, and all of the things that you've worked so hard to build as a performer, as a communicator, and apply that in a rich landscape where you can affect lives positively. I'm so thrilled to be part of this Ovation family, and as we approach our birthday, I want to say that it has just been such a privilege to be amongst a team that I value and respect. I feel like we all have a lot of fun together, there's a lot of joy, there's a lot of heart. The work that we do really matters to us, has inspired me, and that's one thing that I continue to learn throughout this process. And so that is something that I continue to hold close to my heart as I learn and grow with each of my teammates here at Ovation. So, Ovation. You look good, girl. Happy birthday. To many more.
I see Ovation moving into the future, continuing to do what we do best, which is provide training and support and best practices for business professionals all over the world. We have clients today that were with us on day one, and that to me is one of the biggest compliments I can get as the founder and CEO. Thank you, Team Ovation. Each one of you for all the gifts and talent and energy that you bring. And thank you to you as a participant, as a client, as a partner, as a cheerleader, as a friend. Thank you. I'm so glad we're all celebrating this birthday together.